To view hidden files and folders in Windows 11, just open File Explorer and browse to the folder where the files are at. Near the top of the window, click View. Hover the mouse cursor over Show, and then click Hidden Items. If there are any hidden files or folders, they'll now show and look slightly grayed out. If you want to unhide a file or folder, just right-click on it, click Properties, and then uncheck the box next to Hidden. Click OK, and it'll now be unhidden. If you click on View, hover your mouse cursor over Show, and click Hidden Items again, any hidden files and folders will disappear, but the one that you unhid will remain. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.